Today I'm going to make this delicious pizza. It's dairy free pizza, and I'm using store-bought dough. It's a plain dough. I got it from Trader Joe. First I put a little oil on my pan so the dough will not stick, and so it will have a crusty surface at the bottom. Once I flatten it like this, I'll add a little bit olive oil at the top. It is not necessary, it's optional. I like to put a little oil because the olive oil will give it more taste to the dough. Now it's time to put the pizza sauce at the top of the dough, and I got this pizza sauce from Sprouts Farmers Market. Once I spread the pizza sauce on the dough, I will put the dairy-free cheese. It says deliciously dairy-free, and it is made from chickpeas, so there is no cheese in it. So I'll put enough dairy-free cheese. As you can see, it looks just like cheese, regular cheese, but there is no cheese in it. So I will add enough. Then once I spread it, I'll put it in the oven for about 30 minutes or till I see crust at the edge of the pizza dough. I'll bake it at 375 degrees for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, when it comes out, it looks like this. It looks delicious. Now I'll cut it and serve it. This is really a great alternative for the people who doesn't want to eat cheese. One of my children, she doesn't eat cheese, so she enjoyed this pizza. Now while it's warm, I'll cut it in small pieces. It is really so easy, so fast to make it, and it looks so delicious. If you like this video, click the like button below, comment, and subscribe and share. So I hope you'll enjoy it. Let me hear your comment. Thank you for watching.